As announced by SpaceX and Elon Musk on Twitter, SpaceX upgraded its fairing recovery ship, Mr. Steven, with bigger arms in order to support a 4 times larger net, having now an area of over 3,700 square meters. This proven to be necessary since catching rocket fairings turned out to be tricky. So let's have a look on how the proposed fairing recovery system works. Shortly after fairing separation from the second stage, the two fairing halves use cold gas thrusters and a guidance system to control themselves as they fall back to Earth at up to 8 times the speed of sound. After re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, a parafoil is deployed. The fairing halves are then able to steer themselves towards a general location in the ocean. The final piece of the puzzle is Mr. Steven, a large ship featuring 4 large metal arms with a net on top, in order to catch the fairing half and preventing it from entering the corrosive saltwater environment. SpaceX's first attempt of catching a rocket fairing using Mr. Steven's net was back in February 2018, during the PASS mission launch, but it ended up missing the fairing by a few hundred meters. The second attempt was performed on the Iridium 5 mission on March 2018, but unfortunately the GPS-guided parafoil twisted, leading to the fairing half, again, missing the boat. On the third attempt on the Iridium 6 mission on May 2018, they got even closer to catching the fairings, the closest half being only about 50 meters from the ship. So now, having 4 times the original net area, the experience from previous attempts, and improvements on the parafoil guidance system, SpaceX will hopefully catch its first rocket fairings, completing another step on the goal of recovering the entire vehicle and turning Falcon 9 into a complete reusable one.